Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have ever wondered what an influencer actually is, how they make money or how they differ from content creators and ambassadors, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm breaking down all things influencer related, from the different types of influencers to how much they earn per post and the platforms they use most in 2025. Stick around to find out how the content creators are shaping the online world. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What is an influencer? An influencer is a person who can influence the opinions, behaviors, and purchasing decisions of others through their online presence, credibility, and engagement with their audience. Influencers typically build a following on social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and blogs by sharing content in specific niches such as fashion, travel, beauty, fitness, and more. They collaborate with brands for promotions, sponsorships, and marketing campaigns because their followers trust their recommendations. Influencers can range from everyday content creators with small but engaged audiences to celebrities with millions of followers. What is the difference between a content creator and an influencer? All influencers are content creators, but not all content creators are influencers. A content creator focuses on making videos, photos, or blogs, while an influencer also builds a relationship with their audience and influences them. What is the difference between an influencer and an ambassador? An influencer and an ambassador both promote brands, but in different ways. An influencer works with different brands and creates content to share their opinions or experiences, usually in short-term partnerships. They focus on engaging and influencing their audience to try products or services. An ambassador, on the other hand, has a longer-term relationship with a brand and represents it consistently over time. They are more like a spokesperson, aligning closely with the brand's values and promoting it regularly, often exclusively. So while an influencer works with various brands, an ambassador sticks with one brand for a deeper, ongoing partnership. What are the types of influencers? There are 5 types of influencers. The nano influencers typically have between 1,000 and 10,000 followers. Their audience is small but highly engaged, and they are seen as more authentic and relatable. The micro influencers have between 10,000 and 100,000 followers. They often cater to a specific niche and maintain close relationships with their followers, making them a good choice for targeted marketing. The mid-tier influencers usually have between 100 and 500,000 followers. They have a larger reach than micro-influencers, but still maintain a good level of engagement with their audience. The macro-influencers with between 500,000 and 1 million followers. Macro-influencers have a broad reach and are often used by larger brands, although their connection with followers may be less personal. And the mega-influencers. These influencers have over 1 million followers and are often celebrities or public figures. They have immense reach, but their engagement can be lower as their audience is more general. Brands usually collaborate the most with nano and micro influencers because they have better engagement. What are the most used platforms by influencers in 2025? In 2025, influencers primarily use Instagram for photos and stories, followed by YouTube for videos and TikTok for short creative content. Facebook also remains popular for broader reach and ads. What age groups are primarily targeted by Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok? Facebook mainly targets people aged 25 to 34, but is also popular with ages 35 to 54 and older. Instagram focuses on young adults, especially ages 18 to 24, and is also popular with ages 25 to 34. YouTube popular with a wide range of ages, especially 18 to 34, and TikTok mainly targets younger users, especially ages 16 to 24, and is popular with teens and young adults. What is the most common type of influencer payment? The most frequent form of payment for influencers is receiving free product samples. According to statistics, 36% of influencers are compensated with product samples. 32.5% receive monetary payments, 25% are paid by getting discounts on products, and 10.5% participate in giveaways with companies, helping both parties gain followers. How much do influencers earn per post, ranging from nano to mega influencers across different social media platforms? Here is a general overview of how much influencers might earn across different social media platforms from nano to mega influencers. Instagram. On Instagram, nano influencers earn between $50 and $300 per post. Micro influencers earn between $300 and $1,000 per post. Macro influencers earn between $1,000 and $10,000 per post, and mega influencers earn between $10,000 and $100,000 plus per post. TikTok. On TikTok, nano influencers earn between $25 and $150 per post. Micro influencers earn between $150 and $1,000 per post. Macro influencers earn between $1,000 and $10,000 per post, and mega influencers earn between $10,000 and $100,000 plus per post. YouTube. On YouTube, nano influencers earn between $50 and $500 per video. Micro influencers earn between $500 and $3,000 per video. Macro influencers earn between $3,000 and $25,000 per video, and mega influencers earn between $25,000 and $100,000 plus per video. Facebook. On Facebook, nano influencers earn between $50 and $200 per post. Micro influencers earn between $200 and $2,000 per post. Macro influencers earn between $2,000 and $10,000 per post, and mega influencers earn between $10,000 and $100,000 plus per post. What factors influence the cost of collaboration with an influencer? The factors that influence the cost of collaboration include the engagement rates, likes, share, and comments, the type of content, video, post, story, the industry or niche. Certain niches like beauty or tech can demand higher prices, the duration of the campaign, long-term partnership versus single post, and the platform popularity. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you have got a clearer picture of how influencers work and why they are so powerful in the digital space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.